Are you still buying bags of ice? Then you might not need to after this. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca WTI, and the ice cube tray with lid and storage bin from ARTLEO has saved me so much time. It makes about 55 mini nugget ice cubes, so I'm not constantly refilling the tray. It lasts a really long time and saves tons of space in my freezer. The style of ice is perfect for cocktails, iced coffees, matchas, or even water bottles. It also comes as a full set including the ice trays, a lid, a storage container, and a scoop, so everything stays clean, organized, and ready to use. What stood out to me is how easy it is to release the ice. You can just twist it and the cubes come right out without waiting. The lid is super practical too. It helps prevent spills and keeps the ice from absorbing freezer odors, which I always worry about. So if you're someone who likes to make iced drinks, or you just love that nugget style ice, then this is exactly what you need. And that's my point of view.